ninja star. We need two papers. First, take a paper and fold it like this. Now we need to cut this page. So turn this page and cut so we have get and line so our first square has been done. Now we have to make another square with another paper. Do same we did it before. Now open it. Now we have two squares. Now take a square there and fold it half. And open it. Now this side and this side will be matched with this line. Now fold it like this. Now fold it like this. Now we have to fold now we have got a line. Now do it like this and this down. Now turn this. Now you will get at this shape. Now turn it back and do it like this. Now we have got one side of the ninja star. Now the second one, do it like this. When I am doing like this. We are doing that like this before we have done it. Now fold it half. Before we have done this up and this down. So we have to do this first, this down and this up. Then do like this. Now we have got this two sides. Now take this one and place it like this and This one, we have a line here, so we can do it here, and we should open this and pull this one right here. Then the next one. And then next one, next side. Our ninja star is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe this channel for